Welcome to Littlejohn's Yarns. Today, we're going to learn how to crochet these adjustable straps. If you enjoy my tutorials, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright, we'll hop right into this easy pattern. Welcome, thank you for joining me. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make an adjustable strap for some of your outfits. This works great on crochet halter tops or tank tops like I'm making here. Somebody gave me the great idea this will go great on children's clothes because it can adjust as they grow, and a variation of this would be great with a purse strap. So you can adjust it to how you want to wear it, so you don't have to worry about the strap being too long or too short. You can adjust it as you go. And this little technique works great on cotton because of the texture of crochet has lumps and knots in it, and also the sliding mechanism is crochet, which have lumps and knots in it, which causes it to get stuck upon itself, so you won't have to worry about your straps sliding down on you while you're wearing it. I've wore this top and I've had no problems with the straps sliding on me on its own. But like I said, this is the first time I ever tried it. I tried it with cotton yarn. So next I'm going to try it with Care-On Simply Soft. That's a little bit silkier. We'll see how that works. But I'm going to show you exactly how I made this. To begin, for my straps, I made a long chain followed by a row of single crochet stitches across. And if you were wondering, I was using a 4mm crochet hook just to do these straps. And when you complete your straps, make sure you have long tail ends so you can sew your work down to your outfit or whatever garment you're putting it on. To begin, actually, I'm going to switch to one crochet hook size smaller than what I was actually working with. This is also a good technique to prevent your item from slipping through your sliding mechanism. So to make our little sliding mechanism, I don't know exactly what it's called, a buckle or I don't know, but we're just going to continue to call it sliding mechanism. You're going to make a slip stitch. After you make your slip stitch, we're going to chain 5, and you can chain tightly for this because we're going to try to make this as small as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to slip stitch into the very first stitch to make a ring. After your ring is formed, chain 2. 1, 2. And now you're going to slip stitch into the third chain that's in your ring. So let's see if I can find it. Here's that chain 2. We're not going to count those. 1, 2, third chain that was in the ring. And slip stitch and fasten off your work. And here is your tiny little sliding mechanism. I know it's pretty hard to see, so I'm going to show you a bigger version of what it is so you can visually see what I'm making. Okay, here's a bigger version of what it is. It's basically your original ring with your chains 2 stitch behind it. So you have 3 parts, 1, 2, 3 loops. So now we're going to take your strap with your tail in, and we're going to pull it through the section where you had a chain of 2. So this will be your chain 2. Here's your original ring, your chain 2. What you're going to do now is fold your strap over. See, it's wrapped around the chain 2. And sew it down like so. So pause your video here and sew this part to your strap so it's permanently connected. I'll meet you when you're done sewing it together. Okay, once you get it sewed on, don't mind me, I have a temporary stitch because I don't want this white ring to be on my project. So for my top, I created its own little ring for the strap to slip through. So have your loop facing the bottom of you, and we're going to thread your work through this loop right here. This is what's going to hold up your tank top or your purse or whatever you're making it for. Make sure your work is not twisted. I think that's the hard part, trying to get your work not to twist. Okay, and you see your little ring that's left? Just place the end of your strap that's already through. Uh-oh, losing my work. That's already through this loop down here, through these two loops. And there you go. And the other end of your strap is just going to be sewed down to your whatever item that you're working with. So I'm going to go put a temporary stitch in this so you can see exactly what it looks like when it's done. Actually, before I put in the temporary stitch, I want to show you once again up close what you're looking at. Remember, this is a bigger size, and this isn't going to be the permanent sliding mechanism for this top. See how it just slides back and forth? Just like a bra strap. All right, now continue and sew this part onto your top or your purse or whatever you're working with. Okay, we attached the back strap, and I already went ahead and put around the correct color sliding mechanism. And I'll show you what it looks like. Can you see that little knot right there? That's the sliding mechanism. There you go. So now you know how to do it. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also, make sure you check out my other videos to the right. I come out with new patterns every single week. I'll see you guys on the next video.